Aloha fam, Crypto Chris here. Hope you're having a beautiful day and thanks for tuning into my channel. Okay, so by now you've probably heard of the Bored Ape Yacht Club. A couple weeks ago, members were airdropped a large amount of Ape token, and on the same day, they were available on multiple crypto exchanges such as Gemini, Coinbase, and Crypto.com. And now we're seeing them pop up on stock exchanges such as Webull. Well, the subject of today is ApeCoin, and is it a good buy? And is it worth the price that it's currently at? While I can't predict the future, I wanted to share my insight on this subject, so let's get into it. Alright guys, now this is just for educational purposes. Yuga Labs founded the Bored Ape Yacht Club and has become one of the largest brands in the space. And you may have also noticed a lot of different celebrities that are involved within this community. But why are they? Well, from what I've seen, this team is constantly searching for ways to create more value by building doors that these tokens or NFTs can unlock. From exclusive communities in Discord to exclusive parties in New York City, and then exclusive airdrops for holders, as well as merchandise, and soon, gaming. I believe that big investors are getting behind these developers because they can see the potential and opportunity now. On March 21st, Yuga Labs announced that they closed a $450 million seed round investment, which puts the company at a post-money valuation of $4 billion. And the investors include
Mark Cuban, Adidas, Samsung, Google, Gary Vee, Snoop Dogg, Shaq, Timbaland, Colin Kaepernick, MoonPay, Des Bryant, FTX, and more.
And with that seed money, Yuga Labs states that it will use the funds to scale its rapidly growing team and use it for upcoming joint ventures and partnerships. We've also been hearing rumors of their plans of a Metaverse or the Yugaverse. From what we've seen so far, I can only imagine that the sky is the limit for their true vision. Mainstream adoption in Web3 is accelerating at lightning speed, and Yuga Labs is at the forefront for culture and innovation for everyone to enter into the Metaverse. Here's a graph showing the adoption of crypto compared to the adoption of the internet in the 90s. As I mentioned in the other video, I believe crypto and NFTs are still in their infancy. I believe that we'll continue to see mainstream adoption accelerate. Holding Ape will allow you to do exclusive games, merch, events, and services that are otherwise not open to the public. Last Friday, they announced exclusive merch for sale. Here's the shop, which was exclusively available for Ape holders and could only be purchased by ApeCoin. Personally, I bought as much as I was allowed to, and a lot of other holders did too. Although ApeCoin is the official token of the BAYC, it is not created by the BAYC founders, Yuga Lab. It shows that it was actually created and operated by ApeCoin DAO, which essentially allows holders the ability to shape its roadmap. So now, a DAO is an internet company with a shared bank account. It is a community-led entity with no central authority. It's fully autonomous and transparent. Smart contracts lay the foundational rules, execute the agreed-upon decisions, and at any point, proposals, voting, and even the very code itself can be publicly audited. From the website, ApeCoin DAO is a decentralized governance organization that will make decisions regarding ecosystem fund allocations, governance rules, projects, partnerships, and more. Right now, ApeCoin also has the ApeCoin Foundation. Members on the board are responsible for the day-to-day administration, project management, and other tasks that ensure the DAO community's ideas have the support they need to become a reality. The board is currently filled with some very intelligent people, including co-founder of Reddit, Alexis Ohanian, FTX's Amy Wu, and Animoca's Yat Siu. This group gets to start representing the board for 6 months, and after that, the DAO or holders will vote on an annual basis. ApeCoin was created to allow holders to vote, and holding ApeCoin is the only requirement to be able to vote in the DAO. For example, there are already governance proposals regarding things like ecosystem fund allocation and staking rewards. Now that might sound dry and dull, but it may impact future benefits for ApeCoin holders. And Animoca Brands, which is a very large crypto gaming company behind Sandbox, for some background, Sandbox is one of the most popular Web3 games out right now, And in the game, in order to buy assets, you need to use sand, which is their token. Well, Animoca announced that they are planning to integrate ApeCoin into a secret project. The Bored Ape Yacht Club roadmap here shows what they disclosed last year. A couple weeks ago, they released an animated video of an ape heading to the other side, which gives us clues about their future metaverse. And if you head to Yuga Labs' official website, you'll see the current projects they own, as well as their other side, all connected to their Yugaverse. And there's a lot of speculation on crypto Twitter about what the potential of this coin could be. But with all the news coming out consistently, only time will tell. But I see big things happening for this ecosystem, and owning Ape allows you access to the community and its potential. Personally, I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and that's all I have for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you could, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one on Wednesday. I hope to see you there.